Bullish Ethereum cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of $8,443.72 and $15,949.25 by 2030. Market examiners accept ETH could reach $6,567.34 by 2025. Bearish Ethereum market cost expectation for 2023 is $1,501.11. Ethereum Presentation. Decentralized and open source. Ethereum is a blockchain that supports shrewd agreements. The stage's local coin is called Ether. As far as market capitalization, Ether is the main cryptographic money after Bitcoin. Software engineer Vitalik Buterin made Ethereum in 2013. Gavin Wood, Charles Hoskinson, Anthony Di-Iorio, and Joseph Lubin were extra Ethereum originators. Crowdfunding for improvement work began in 2014, and the organization sent off on July 30, 2015. Anybody can distribute super durable and unchangeable decentralized applications on Ethereum, permitting clients to speak with them. Applications for decentralized finance offer a great many monetary administrations without the requirement for traditional monetary delegates like banks, financiers, or trades, for example, empowering digital currency proprietors to get or loan cash against their possessions out for revenue. NFTs are explicit tokens that show responsibility for related resource or honor and are recognized by a few establishments. They are in like manner conceivable to produce and trade utilizing Ethereum. Furthermore, a few other digital currencies have utilized the Ethereum blockchain as a stage for starting coin contributions and utilize the ERC20 symbolic norm. In the event that you are hoping to put resources into Ethereum, this guide can help. What is Ethereum? Ethereum is a blockchain-based decentralized worldwide programming stage at its heart. It is known for Ether, frequently known as ETH, its local digital money. Anybody can utilize Ethereum to construct any safe advanced innovation they can envision. A token is incorporated into it explicitly for use on the blockchain network, yet clients may likewise utilize it to pay for undertakings done on the blockchain. Versatile, programmable, secure, and decentralized are highlights of Ethereum. Subsequently, it is the blockchain of decision for organizations and engineers who are building innovation on top of it to change a few areas and how we carry on with our regular routines. As indicated by specialized examination performed on Ethereum, the cost of ETH has been following a falling triangle design since mid-last year. At the decision, ETH's cost went through an exemplary bullish breakout and is expected to return to the nearest hindrance. One more reassuring sign. The cost of ETH going over the moving normal with sound exchanging action upholds this. Hence, assuming that the pattern proceeds and Ethereum's cost goes over the primary opposition, the following significant region to watch out for is likely to perceive how ETH's value answers this line might approve or invalidate longer-term expectations. Ethereum is right now worth $1,876.37 USD. ETH has moved 0.13% as of now with an exchanging volume of $5,753,818,173. Ethereum is as of now positioned 402 among all cryptographic forms of money with a market capitalization of $219,759,474,812 USD. Using the overall strength list, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal intermingling difference from the graph above, we can decide cost designs for Ethereum to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation estimates utilize continuous Ethereum market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost forecasts in light of current market movement. Ethereum Value Expectation 2023 Ethereum, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding cryptographic forms of money to rise this year. The ETH cost estimate for 2023 expects a huge expansion in the year's final part, conceivably coming to $2,814.56. Likewise with other digital forms of money, the ascent will be progressive, yet no significant drops are normal. Averaging $2,626.92 in cost is very aggressive, yet it is plausible sooner rather than later given expected joint efforts and progressions. ETH is supposed to have a base worth of $2,251.65. Ethereum Value Expectation 2024 out of 2024. Ethereum ETH cost expectation has a lot of space for development. Because of the likely declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of ETH will before long outperform $4,690.93. In any case, we ought to hold back to check whether the ETH's overall strength list emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, ETH will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $3,752.75 and a typical exchanging cost of $4,128.02. Ethereum value expectation 2025. In the event that the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach $6,567.30 and ETH might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. ETH is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $6,004.39 and a low of $5,629.12 in 2025. Ethereum value expectation 2026. On the off chance that Ethereum effectively supports market opinion among cryptographic money lovers, the ETH coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, ETH will be green in 2026. The ETH is supposed to reach and outperform its unsurpassed high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual cash will be valued at $8,443.68, with a base cost of $7,505.49 and a typical cost of $7,880.77. Ethereum value expectation 2027. After some broad determining and specialized examination, we gauge the ETH cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $9,757.14 by 2027, with a base cost of $9,381.86 anticipated before the year's end. Besides, ETH has a greatest value worth of $10,320.05. Ethereum value forecast 2028. Because representing things to come, organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $11,633.51. In the event that ETH figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a most extreme cost of $12,196.42. Neglecting to assemble the help ETH needs by 2028 could bring about a low of $11,258.24. Ethereum value forecast 2029. While ETH is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to rush communication, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed, so the base exchange cost has been set at $13,134.61 and a yearly cost close above $14,072.80 in 2029. Ethereum value expectation 2030. By 2030, Ethereum will at last outperform its past ETH values and record new cost level. The base cost could be $15,010.98 and possibly arrive at a greatest value worth of $15,949.17, averaging out at $15,386.26. Ethereum value expectation 2031. The cryptographic money market is known to be exceptionally unpredictable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost determining is a troublesome errand. Makes an honest effort to estimate future price tags with accuracy, but all forecasts ought not be taken as monetary guidance, and you should DYOR.